Natalie, are the birds talking to you? What do you think about those birds? Pretty fun, huh? And here are the birds that we're talking about here. These are the best things in Natalie's life. I think she loves them more than Mom and Dad. Right? Yeah, these birds are pretty neat. They keep me busy. They keep me occupied. I like them. Don't you like them, Natalie? Yeah? Are you trying to talk to the birds? What would you say to the birds? Is that what you would tell them? They are pretty neat. Pretty neat. How old are you today? Are you 2 months? 2 months old. Getting so big. Okay, Natalie. Birdies are going to sleep. So can you say goodbye? Say goodbye? Okay. Bye-bye.